Hello, ControlTrends community. This is Ken Smyers. I'm with Richard Newberry, CEO of KMC Controls at the 2019 Realcomm IBcon show. We're in a great booth at a great location at a great show. Richard, what are your thoughts and what are your takeaways?
Well, we're real excited. This show has been a great show for us. As I listened to Howard and Lisa talk yesterday and the panel discussions from all the real estate and IBcon folks, it's clear to me that there's a strong demand for an open solution. There's a strong demand for a secure solution and a very strong demand for a scalable solution. And fortunately for us, Commander is that. It's an open, scalable, and secure solution. I'm also seeing as cybersecurity becomes more of an issue, it's accelerating the IT-OT convergence that's going on. And we're seeing that everywhere we go. We're really excited about our partnership with Intel. Right. Intel is actually showing a demo of a CBRE solution that has Commander as its backbone. Wow. And so we're excited about that. And as we've doubled down on innovation and intuitive solutions, we're really seeing some strong growth in our system integrator channel, and we're really excited about that in 2019 and beyond.
Well, I'll tell you what, we've been around the show, and I couldn't have summed it up better myself. You hit all the important takeaways of the show. What's next? What's
next is I'm seeing, finally, the adoption cycle has been disappointing to all of us for the Internet of Things, sure. But I am beginning to see glimmers of hope. I'm seeing that adoption accelerate, albeit not to my desires. Sure. It is accelerating. We are seeing some wins this year, and the whole CBRE solution hopefully will be a big win for us, and we're working with other major IT providers to give them an Internet of Things solution with Commander.
Yeah, well, it's amazing. I feel the same change of power. They're going from the influencers are going from the structured ASHRAE engineered specification driven to user owner, facility manager driven, and they want this technology because it's all here. Yep. It's just like you said, the adoption rate has been slow, and now with this big launch we had Realcomm IBcon, we're going to see it accelerate. So IT-based automation, IT-based building automation is coming.
It is, and we're real excited about it, and we're looking forward to being right in the middle of it.
Richard, I hear the KMC Controls has something new and exciting to announce.
Yeah, we just launched a case study, Stewart Country Day School. Mm-hmm. We're real excited. It's the intersection of operations and education. It's a campus as a lab, and we're real excited, and we're partnering with Intel on it, and Commander is talking to everything in that school, and they've seen a 43% decrease in their energy costs.
That's amazing. Well, Richard, you know what? Great stuff. Thank you very much. Tell the ControlTrends community, for those that don't know, how to get a hold of KMC Controls.
Well, it's kmccontrols.com, or you can call me, Richard Newberry, the CEO, at 574-536-0769.
Well done. Thank you, Richard.